Hello YouTube, I just want to do a quick video of my front yard, so I'm going to try to make it fast. Here we have I can't remember what it's called, they have them at Christmas time, and they're usually like covered in glitter or whatnot, and I got it, see there's still some glitter on it. That's my mother-in-law's carrot, he's annoying. Anyway, so you get it at Christmas time, and I got it after Christmas, so it was like 75% off, and it's grown, well, from the glitter up. It's all new, so that's cool. So I put some impatiens in there. This is my Schefflera that I think it was almost this big. Max, please stop. I'm just gonna move on so that I don't have to listen to that anymore. Okay, this is the front walkway. On this side I have some verbena right here. She already had the hen and chicks in here. So I put in this verbena, and then this is a calibrachoa, and then more hen and chicks. Then I have my milkweed that is seeding again, so I should pull those off. And then we got hellebore was already here. I added this vinca last year, and it must have reseeded itself. A Cosmo right there. I got calibrachoa down there. A dead dianthus I need to pull out. Another milkweed. Cape daisy. And then more dianthus there. And I think that is a delphinia. Then I got another calibrachoa down here. On this side, I have two mums. That one and that one. This one is doing really, really well. And the colors are gorgeous. And then I have some bacopa down here and over here, but oh, that one looks dead. They're not doing good, so I might have to switch it out for some more. These are phlox. I think that's how you say it. And it's got some bulbs growing in it for some reason. I need to pull those up. This is a viburnum double file, I believe it's called. It's supposed to get like 8 feet tall. Stupid sun. And then this, I think, I can't remember how many. I think there's only 2 daisies here. They just love it right here. I haven't had to trim these at all the whole time I've had them here. Then we got a nemesia here. More bacopa. Same nemesia, same bacopa. That alyssum just reseeds itself every year. And then they got more milkweed here. Also with the seed pods. Ugh. I have a busy street all of a sudden. More dianthus that's dying. I'm just not consistent with watering the front like I am watering the back. So I have a lot more dead stuff to deal with. Okay, here I have some clover. More Cape daisies along here. A salvia there. Yarrow right there. And then I have 3 calibrachoas here. That one's dying, and I need to weed in here. And then over here, coleonema. That's all that light stuff is new growth. And then an azalea I put in here. This is when it was in the backyard, I think, and it was yellow, so it's doing much better. Over here I have a gardenia that's really struggling to live. Calibrachoa. Another azalea that looks better. It used to be a lot more yellow, so it's really coming along. More calibrachoa. California fuchsia. Cape daisy. Calibrachoas. California fuchsia. More azaleas. This one I'm not sure. I think that one might die. I don't understand why all of a sudden I have the busiest street in the world. This one I think is going to be okay. It's looking better than it did. That's a Mexican peony. which are extremely easy to propagate. It's my mother-in-law's, and she's been propagating them like mad. More calibrachoa and a hydrangea. And then over here, I have a bunch of dead stuff that I got from work that's struggling that I'm hoping to put in over here in this area. And then over here, I have some more Nandinas I got from client. This one, and then these two dwarfs here, and then I have some like delphinium in there, and I think that thing right there is called a red feather or something. Some verbena that died because I don't water, like I said, I don't water the front as much. And then over here, you can't really see, got another Nandina dwarf there. Nandina, delphinium on each side, and a Nandina. And that's all of the plants that I have done. Okay, so that's the front. Sorry about all the dog poop. Thanks for watching.